Hello and welcome to Champ's Muscle Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a pizza. That's right, a pizza. Pizza with a meat base. So, high protein, high fat, low carb meal. Absolutely fantastic way to get all our nutrients if you're on a low carb diet, or if you're in a low carb phase within your diet, whether it's muscle building or whether it's fat loss, whatever the case is. A lot of people will turn to pizza as their cheat meal. A lot of people turn to pizza as a hangover cure meal, and this is a fantastic way where you can combine everything and have it guilt-free. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. So for the base, what we're going to need is we're going to need about 500 grams of lean beef mince. Grass-fed mince is actually definitely the better way to go for. We're going to have some eggs. You can either use clove garlic, or I particularly like to use this chopped garlic. It's actually quite nice. Well, I say quite nice, it's just easy. A red onion, some thyme, oregano, and then for the toppings we're going to have the tomato puree, some tomatoes, spinach, good old cheese, and pineapple chunks as well. Let's get going. Okay, so now that we've mixed it all together, we're going to get a baking tray. Get some parchment paper or some baking tray. Flat pack your meat base into the tray, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. And once we take it out, we're then going to top it up, put the cheese on, and then stick it back in the oven. Alright, so the next step then is to focus on the topping. So we're going to have a tomato base, use a little bit of tomato puree, and I just took a bit of an old bolognese sauce, mix it up with a little bit of garlic, and that's going to be my base. Got some tomatoes, cheese, a bit of spinach, and the pineapple. So that's completed. It looks absolutely amazing, I'm not going to lie. I will show you a picture of the finished product in a minute. However, obviously I can't pick it up now, it's quite hot and I can't tilt it as well. You might have some excess juices, that'll be from the mince. All you need to do is just drain that before you put it onto your plate. Serve up and enjoy. You could probably get a few portions out of this. You could serve a family of 4 or 5 easily, and just depends on how much you like a bit of pizza. Thanks very much for watching me, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.